Is your Discord screen share showing a black screen? Don't worry. Let's fix it right now with 10 proven solutions. We'll start with the most effective fix first.
Solution 1. Disable hardware acceleration. This fixes about 70% of all black screen cases. Open Discord and click the gear icon for user settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Advanced. Find the hardware acceleration toggle and turn it off. Click OK when prompted. Discord will restart automatically. After restart, fully quit Discord from the system tray and reopen it. Now, test your screen share. The black screen should be gone.
Solution 2. Run Discord as administrator. When a game runs with admin privileges but Discord doesn't, Windows blocks screen capture. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as administrator. Click Yes on the UAC prompt. For a permanent fix, right-click Discord, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Discord will now always start with admin rights.
Solution 3. Force Discord to use your dedicated GPU. This is especially important for laptop users with dual graphics cards. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then Display, then Graphics. Click Browse and add Discord's executable file. Click on Discord in the list, then click Options. Select High Performance to use your dedicated GPU. Click Save. This ensures Discord captures from the same GPU your game is running on.
Solution 4. Enable Legacy Capture Mode. Some older games need Discord's older capture method to work properly. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Scroll to the Screen Share section. Toggle on Legacy Capture Mode if available. Also, try toggling the experimental audio capture method. Restart Discord and test again.
Solution 5. Share your entire screen instead of a single window. Full screen capture uses a more reliable Windows API. Click Share Your Screen in the Voice channel. Switch to the Screens tab instead of Applications. Select your monitor and click Go Live. Note, this shares everything on your screen, so close sensitive apps first.
Solution 6. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a common cause of black screen issues. For NVIDIA users, open GeForce Experience and download the latest driver. For AMD, visit amd.com support. For Intel, use the Intel Driver Assistant. During installation, select Custom and check Perform a clean installation. Restart your PC after the update.
Solution 7. Clear the Discord cache. First, fully quit Discord from the system tray. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata, %/discord/cache, and press Enter. Select all files with Control-A, then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. This is completely safe. It won't delete your settings or messages. Reopen Discord and test your screen share.
Solution 8. Check the OpenH264 video codec. Discord uses Cisco's OpenH264 codec for video encoding. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Scroll down and find OpenH264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems. Make sure it is enabled. If it was disabled, enable it and restart Discord. Without this codec, video output will fail.
Solution 9. Fix DRM content black screen. If you're trying to share Netflix, Disney+, or other streaming services, DRM protection blocks screen capture by design. To work around this, disable hardware acceleration in your browser as well. In Chrome, go to Settings, then System, and turn off hardware acceleration. Relaunch Chrome. Also make sure hardware acceleration is off in Discord. Note, some 4K content may still block capture regardless.
Solution 10. Reinstall Discord. This is the last resort. Go to Windows Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Discord and click Uninstall. After uninstalling, press Windows key plus R and delete the Discord folders from both AppData Roaming and AppData Local. Then download the latest installer from discord.com download. Install fresh and test your screen share.
So why does this happen? There are 5 main root causes. Hardware acceleration conflicts, which is the most common. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers. Administrator privilege mismatches between Discord and your game. Capture mode incompatibility with certain games. And DRM protection on streaming content. The 10 solutions we covered address all of these causes.
Here's a quick reference of all 10 solutions. Try solution 1 first, as it fixes most cases. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.